So, bago natin ito i-serve guys, palamigin muna natin ito. And then, bago ilagay yung sauce. Hello guys! Gawa tayo ng cold ramen. So, yung ating soba guys, or yung ating noodles, blanch lang natin ito siya sa hot water. So, ayan, ready na siya. Then, itap na lang natin yung ating iba pang ingredients. So, ayan guys, inilagay ko na yung ating crab meat stick. Hinimay-himay lang. And then, yung ating cucumber. So, pareho lang sila ng pagkagawa. Then, itap ulit natin yung iba pa nating ingredients. Ayan guys, nailagay na natin lahat yung ating mga toppings. Andyan yung ating crab meat stick, sweet cooked ham, then yung ating cucumber, egg, and then green onion. Sprinkled lang siya ng sesame seeds. So, bago natin ito i-serve guys, palamigin muna natin ito. And then, bago ilagay yung sauce. And then, ito naman yung ating magiging sauce. Mixture lang siya ng ponzu and then sesame oil. Yung ponzu guys, kung wala kayo nito, pwede kayong mag-mix lang ng soy sauce and then calamansi or lemon. Then, konting honey or sugar. So, yun lamang po. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!